Now the soil is ready. Ready for what? For putting the seeds in soil. This act of putting seeds in soil is called sowing. The act of putting seeds in soil. Now how to do it? There are not 10, 15 or 100 seeds. There are many seeds. Area is also very large. The simplest and the most traditional method is that the farmer used to have seeds in his basket and he would keep throwing and keep moving. But then that was not a very good method, because in some places too many seeds would fall and at other places too few. Where there was overcrowding of seeds, the plants would not get enough of food, nutrients, water. So the farmer used another technique. He traditionally added a funnel to his plow, and this funnel was connected to some more pipes like this. The seeds were put in the funnel and they would pass through these pipes. Can you see? The pipes are at equal distance, so the seeds would also fall at equal distance. He further improved the method and he used a tool which is called seed drill. This seed drill is attached to the tractor, and as a result the seeds fall at equal distance. Not only that, the sharp blades of the seed drill, they also put some soil on the seeds. You know, the seeds need appropriate distance as well as appropriate depth. If they are only at the surface of the soil, birds can damage them. If they are too deep, they will not get the right conditions and the seeds will not germinate. So that the seeds have to be at appropriate depth. And the seed drill is not only able to put seeds at equal distance, but also at appropriate depth with a layer of soil above it. So what is the best method? Obviously seed drill. And because it is attached to tractor, it saves time, it saves labor. Imagine what will happen if all your parents' income you keep withdrawing. Whatever your father and mother earn and you spend more than that, or whatever you has been put in bank, you keep withdrawing. What will happen one day? There will be no income. There will be no money left. You know, human beings are very greedy, very selfish. This earth, which we sometimes like to call Dharti Ma, why do we call it Dharti Ma? Because just like your mother, it's a provider, it's a carer. But then, even earth has some limits. If you keep on growing crop after crop, year after year, naturally what will happen? It will start losing its nutrients. It will become deficient. But anyway, we have to grow the plants. We need food. So what should be done? The farmer is very smart. The farmer adds manure. You studied about composting in class 6 and vermicomposting. What was it? You know, the farmer is so smart that it does not waste anything. Even the animal dung, the waste plants, the other excreta, everything he puts in pits. And in due course of time, due to the action of microbes, what happens? It changes into manure. It becomes porous and it is rich in organic matter. So that is how the soil is made fertile.